In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Android smartphone keyboard theme. So this process should be the same or closely related to any Android smartphone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go to messages and then just open any conversation. For instance, I'll open this conversation. Now under this, just go ahead and tap on text message, and then under it, you'll see a settings icon here. So go ahead and tap on it to open further settings. So if you go down here, you can see we have theme, and now we can open on theme, and we have various styles of themes that you can use. First, we have the default, and currently I'm using System Auto. We have others if you want your theme to be colored. We have here keyboard themes that are colored. You can also choose the themes that are landscape, and for this you'll need just to go ahead and tap on download, and then that will be applied on your smartphone. So for this case, let me try choosing this. So if you go ahead and select this, now look at how your theme will appear. So you can go ahead and include keyboarders by turning this on, or if you don't want, you can just turn it off. And once you are comfortable, now go ahead and click on apply. And now if I go back and open any message like this, then go ahead and now you see our keyboard theme has changed. So that's how you change your keyboard theme on your Android smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.